Sometimes credit scores are like a team game. Not that kind of team. Make it smaller. Credit bureaus are the referees. Your credit score is being bombarded with derogatory accounts that might hurt it. Late payments, maxed out credit cards, charge-offs, repossession, all that can lower anyone's chances of higher scores. Sometimes unexpected things happen and a credit report gets hit by unverified inaccuracies. And that's how a credit score can take a beating. But don't you worry. The credit agent's got your back. Call, text, or email us, and one of our associates will assist you and help you reach your goals.